Hello, good morning. This is Mrs. Ophis from Eastgate Kindergarten, and I want to tell you about our Eagle Art project for this week. There is a website on the internet. If you Google Decora Eagles, where you can see a live camera, 2 parent eagles, and a nest with baby eagles hatching from eggs. How cool is that? This is the perfect time of year to think about those eagles. It makes you feel very American, which is perfect for Loyalty Day. But it also is fun to do art with them. So I'm going to show you the art project for this week. In your packet, you got the outline of an eagle that looks like this. There's nothing on it. You are going to make it into something by using paper from around the house. Here's a magazine that I have sitting in the classroom from my house. And inside it, there's lots of colors. There's yellow and blue and brown. And I'm going to choose to make my eagle the colors that it should be. I'm going to make its feathers down here brown. I'm going to leave its head white. And then I'm going to make the beak yellow. I won't do the whole eagle, but I'm going to show you how to get it started. So we know that we need white and brown and yellow. I just opened the book and I see brown. I can cut with scissors or I can rip the paper, which is fun. So I'm gonna rip the paper on this piece of brown that I found. Then I'm gonna take my glue stick, or you can use real glue, a dab will do ya. And we're gonna glue it where we think it should go. Do you think the brown should go here on the head? Probably not. We're gonna put it down here where there should be brown feathers. And I'm gonna look for something that's yellow or brown, or even, we said the head was going to stay white, didn't we? More yellow. Oh my goodness, we haven't done yellow yet. Let's rip some yellow. And I'm gonna get the glue stick here. And I'm going to glue some yellow on the beak. Now, we're going to get some, here, I'll move this so you can see it really well. Let's get some white. All of the word pages are white and have black words on them. Maybe you can find a sight word on here. I see you. That's fun. Look at what I found. I'm gonna put a little glue stick on it. Now I can put my white paper here on the eagle's bald head. Let me look for some more brown. I really do like ripping these pages. I found a lot of brown. I found horses. Ripping paper is kind of fun when you're allowed to do it, isn't it? Sometimes we're not allowed to rip paper, but right now, you can for this project. Let's put a little more brown here. Oh, do you see how this is starting to look like brown feathers? The yellow, you can fill in the beak to make it look yellow. White words can go on the bald head. That's one way that you can do your eagle. I also saw a friend of mine on the internet doing construction paper and making colorful feathers because that's how they wanted to do their eagle. You sure can do that too. But this is how you do the rip and tear eagle. And don't forget to check out the Decora Eagles on the internet because they have babies hatching. And how cute! Baby eagles are adorable when they're teeny tiny. Then they look a little weird. And then they look just like their moms and dads. The bell must mean we're done. Have a wonderful day, kindergarten.